Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Nitro cold brew coffee makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Nitro Kafo 0.5-liter Nitro coffee maker. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $69.99. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of Nitro cold brew without breaking the bank, this compact and lightweight unit may be the perfect choice. Made from 100% aluminum, it's rust-resistant and environmentally friendly, offering a durable design that prioritizes sustainability. The included mason jar and fine mesh stainless steel filter allow you to brew cold coffee effortlessly, while the Nitro nozzle ensures a smooth pour and cascading crema for an authentic Nitro experience. However, the small 0.5-liter capacity may not be ideal for larger households or frequent entertaining, as it only serves 2 to 3 drinks per batch. Performance-wise, it delivers a creamy, frothy texture that mimics coffee shop quality, but you'll need to purchase nitrogen cartridges separately. The operation is fully manual, requiring a bit of effort to steep, charge, and dispense the brew, but the results are worth it for casual home use. The Nitro Kafo is best suited for those who want an affordable introduction to Nitro coffee making. It's not perfect, but it offers excellent value for its price. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of use, and low cost. Cons include its limited capacity and occasional inconsistencies in pour quality. Overall, it's a great entry-level option for coffee lovers on a budget. At number 4, we have the Zoule Nitro Cold Brew Maker, priced at $139.99. This mid-tier option offers a premium feel without venturing into high-end territory. Zoule Kitchen has crafted this Nitro coffee maker with a 64-ounce stainless steel keg that's powder-coated for durability and scratch resistance. Its standout feature is the pressure-relieving valve and creamer faucet, which help achieve a smooth, frothy pour every time. It comes with thoughtful extras like a collapsible funnel and a silicone drip mat, ensuring a mess-free brewing experience. Performance-wise, the Zoule Nitro Cold Brew Maker delivers rich, velvety coffee that rivals cafe-quality drinks. It's compatible with 8 grams nitrous oxide cartridges or 2 grams nitrogen cartridges sold separately, giving you flexibility in achieving your desired flavor and texture. The keg keeps brews fresh for up to 2 weeks in the fridge, making it ideal for those who want Nitro coffee on demand. While it's straightforward to use, assembling and charging the keg might require a learning curve for first-time users. This product is a fantastic gift for coffee enthusiasts and fits seamlessly into any coffee bar setup. Its pros include durable construction, thoughtful accessories, and impressive brew quality. On the downside, it's slightly pricier than some competitors, and its compatibility with specific cartridges may limit options for some users. Overall, it's a great choice for intermediate users who want consistent performance and thoughtful design. Coming in at number 3 is the original Royal Brew Nitro Cold Brew Coffee Maker, priced at $129.99. Royal Brew has a reputation for producing high-quality Nitro coffee makers, and this 64-ounce home keg is no exception. With a stout creamer faucet, unique pressure relief valve, and reusable filter, this kit is designed for coffee lovers who want barista-level Nitro coffee from the comfort of their home. The matte black finish gives it a sleek and professional look, while the included carry bag, cleaning brushes, and accessories make it convenient for regular use. The Royal Brew offers smooth, frothy coffee that's both sweeter and fresher than standard cold brews. It's compatible with nitrogen or nitrous oxide cartridges, sold separately, allowing you to customize your drink's flavor profile. The keg fits snugly in your fridge and keeps coffee fresh for extended periods. However, the manual operation requires you to shake the keg after charging and pay close attention to assembly instructions for optimal performance. While it's not the most beginner-friendly option, experienced users will appreciate its robust design and versatility. Pros include its durable build, smooth coffee output, and thoughtful accessories. Cons include the need for separate cartridge purchases and its slightly steep learning curve for first-time users. Overall, the Royal Brew is an excellent choice for coffee aficionados who value quality and customization. At number 2, we have the Royal Brew 128-ounce extra-large Nitro Cold Brew coffee maker, priced at $179.99. This is the big brother to the 64-ounce model, offering double the capacity for households or gatherings where coffee flows freely. With the same sturdy matte black design and improved stout creamer faucet, this model ups the ante, with a larger keg that holds up to 8 pints of nitro coffee. If you're someone who enters often or drinks a lot of nitro coffee, this extra-large keg will be a game-changer. Performance-wise, it delivers the same cascading microbubbles and creamy texture as the original 64-ounce version, but its larger size means fewer refills and more convenience. It supports nitrogen or nitrous oxide cartridges, sold separately, giving users flexibility in flavor and texture customization. The keg's dimensions allow it to fit comfortably in most refrigerators, though its taller design might be a tight squeeze in smaller spaces. Like its smaller counterpart, the operation is manual, requiring users to shake the keg after charging. Pros include its massive capacity, durable build, and smooth coffee pours. Cons include the need for external cartridges and its bulkier size. Overall, this is a perfect choice for coffee lovers who want to make nitro coffee in larger batches without sacrificing quality. Finally, at number 1, we have the NitroPress DS by Hatfields London. This premium nitro coffee maker is priced at $399 and is the ultimate choice for those seeking innovation and convenience. Unlike the other models on this list, the NitroPress DS eliminates the need for single-use nitrogen cartridges, thanks to its rechargeable battery-powered system. Designed with sustainability in mind, this machine provides endless nitro drinks at the press of a button, making it the most eco-friendly option on the market. The NitroPress DS is crafted with stainless steel and chrome finishes, giving it a sleek, modern look that fits seamlessly on any countertop. Its compact design belies its powerful performance, delivering consistent, cafe-quality nitro coffee in just 5 seconds per charge. The automatic operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, eliminating the hassle of manual shaking or cartridge replacement. While it's the priciest option, the zero running costs and cartridge-free operation make it a worthwhile investment for serious nitro enthusiasts. Pros include its innovative design, sustainability, and ease of use. The only downside is its initial cost, which might deter casual users. However, if you're looking for the best nitro coffee maker on the market, the NitroPress DS is the clear winner, combining top-tier performance with cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.